Hello friends, welcome to my channel Binary Master. Today in this video I am going to be sharing another most profitable binary trading non-repaint dragon MT4 indicator. This MT4 indicator can analyze market movements technically with higher accuracy. This indicator catches very fast and profitable price movement and gives you easy buy sell signals. This system easy to use, you can set up in only 10 minutes. If you use properly, this indicator gives you 99% accuracy. Today in this video I will take live trade with my live account. We also provide signal on Telegram channel. Join our Telegram channel for copy my trades, and don't forget to subscribe my channel or press the bell icon. Okay, now let's start the trading. First we need opening the MT4 indicator. Let's see some previous signals. Here you can see all of signals are winning signals. Now I take some trade base on this indicator. Don't skip and watch the full video. Okay guys, here we got a signal for down direction. Let's place the trade. We place here a trade for down direction. Let's wait for results. Our trade will be a successful winning. Let's search another one opportunity. Here we got a signal for up direction. Let's place the trade. We place here a trade for up direction. Let's wait for results. Our trade will be a successful win. Let's search another one opportunity. Here we got a signal for up direction. Let's place the trade. We place here a trade for up direction. Let's wait for results. Our trade will be a successful winning. I hope you enjoy the video. If you want this profitable indicator, contact us on Telegram.